are my figure skates. I actually have two pairs, as you can see. Maybe you've seen both pairs pop up in my videos. I use one pair for when I am coaching and the other pair for when I am personally doing my practicing and skating. They are both a Harlick skating boot, a Custom Harlick skating boot, and I have a MK Gold Star blade on both of them. My newer pair of boots, though, have the MK Gold Star Revolution blade, which I just have fallen in love with. I think that it's a fantastic blade. But I actually have these boots here today because I think it's time to do some boot maintenance on them. That's one of the beautiful things about having a really high-end boot, is that you can do repairs on them to make the life of the boot last a lot longer. Now, this pair is actually 11 years old. That's crazy, and I'm still able to be out there teaching in them. And I really think that is just a testament to what a great product Harlick makes. I mean, to be able to still wear them 11 years in is just amazing. Most skates break down a lot faster than that. But they are getting to the point where I'm having a little bit of a harder time demonstrating some things because they are so soft. There's a couple things I'm going to have done to them. The primary thing is I'm going to have the tongue replaced. The tongue supports the ankle when it bends, and as you can see, the tongue on this boot has gotten really, really soft. In addition to the tongue being soft, the foam on the inside is falling apart, and it's giving me some pretty bad lace bite, which is super uncomfortable. One side is tearing as well, so when I lace my skates up, that torn part pops out, and then there's even less support on the front on that side. So I'm actually going to ship them down to Harlick, and they are going to replace the entire tongue for me and give me a brand new stiff tongue, which is super cool. If you actually go on the Harlick website, you will see a whole list of things that they can do to repair or modify their skates. So obviously replacing a tongue is one of them. They can cut the back down if you want more like a dance stay. They can replace the entire sole. I mean, there's a lot they can do. They can actually open up this seam here and replace the layer in there that's really stiff. So if your boot has broken down and you're still wanting to get a lot of good skating use into them, they can redo the stiffness so you can keep jumping in them. Since I'm going to be shipping these old boots down to Harlick, and there's some other things that I personally want to do to the sole, I'm going to take the blade off. It'll make it a lot easier to fit in a packing box and give me access to the holes where the blade has been mounted so I can refill those. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my screwdriver and remove these. They're pretty stiff because they've been in there for a long time. I'm going to go ahead and package these up. Harlick has emailed me a little return form that I'm going to tell them exactly what I want done. I'll put that in the package with the boots, and they said they'll have the whole process done in about 5 days. So that's pretty great. Hey guys, I'm so excited. My box from Harlick just arrived with my boots inside, and I can't wait to open it up and see how they look. The tongue on these has been replaced. As you can see, it looks fantastic. You can barely see the stitches on here. They're kind of funny right now. They're kind of two-toned. I mean, the new tongue is a little bit lighter than this darker outside. I think this must have aged with time or something, but we're gonna fix that. And check out the padding on the inside. It's not falling apart anymore, and it's not gonna give me that dreaded lace bite after I coach for a couple of hours. And of course on the front, that tear is gone, which is gonna be very nice. Wow, Harlick did a really nice job. I mean, I'm excited. But the next job is to work on the sole. The sole is pretty damaged by time. The little holes where the screws go have really broken in. So I'm gonna go ahead and refill those holes so that I can screw into them and put a new blade on, and the blade won't be loose. And I'm also going to go ahead and re-wax and snow seal the sole as well. That part of the project is going to have to wait till next time though. We are done for today. I hope you enjoyed this. Please do give us that thumbs up. And of course, hit that subscribe button down below. And until next time, I have a video for you right here, which I think you'll enjoy.